Good morning, guys. I know I look completely exhausted, but I'm heading somewhere entirely new. I got up at the butt crack of dawn to get on this flight, and even though I don't look it, I'm actually really excited. Give me a minute. This has been like one of the worst airport experiences I've ever had. The queue, the check-in process, the security, it's ridiculous. But we're boarding now. The lady at check-in told me that my carry-on, my roller bag, was too big to fit in like the, like the sizing things that they have. She said it was too big and then I should check it. So I checked it. Now I'm on the plane and I'm seeing roller bags like twice the size of mine. So I'm kind of pissed that I don't have it because inside was like a change of toothbrush, like all my stuff so that when I land my layover I could like refresh. And now that stuff's all gone and my purse is super heavy because I just put a toothbrush, my toothpaste in there, and just like a bunch of other things to try to like make it work. I'm sitting in the very front of the plane, in this section, not looking down. So I guess I'm not going to be able to see this whole flight. I haven't eaten anything because I had 100 milliliters of soy milk. I put it in my liquids because the lady at the check-in counter said I could take it through. But turns out I can't. They take it from me, and at security they like checked everybody's bag, so it took me like almost an hour to just wait and get my bag checked. So I had to run down to this terminal. Hopefully the flight's okay, and hopefully the flight from here to Australia is great. So I'm just try to get some work done on this flight and see how it goes. Here we go. Finally boarding the flight to Sydney. I'm dead tired. Been trying not to sleep too much so that I can sleep when I get there. Haven't really drank much water today, so I've got a throbbing headache. And again, I'm not saying I don't want to. Alright, here we go. This is a long flight. Probably one of the longest I've done in a very long time. 14 hours and change. And if you think about it, I had to fly from Manchester first. So that's like 3 full flights. I tried to manage my time on this flight a little bit so that I could sleep when I got to Sydney, so that I'd be in the right time zone. So I ate a lot of sugar, tried to engross myself in the book. I definitely recommend you read it. It is great. First impressions, I'm here. It's very humid. I'm waiting for an Uber now to the hotel. I'm very worried that I did not pack appropriately for this trip. Like, I went and bought some new sweaters, some jackets, a rain jacket, because it's supposed to be fall here in Australia, so I thought it was going to be cooler than it is. It is quite humid as of now, and it's 7 p.m. at night, thereabouts. Gonna get in this Uber, head over to the hotel, meet Amira, and shower. I'm so excited for that. After 2 days worth of traveling, I'll check back in then. So we're staying in the Meriton Bondi Beach. The view from here, as you can see, is superb. We woke up the first day to a pretty clear sky, maybe a little bit of mist, a little bit of fog, but otherwise a great indication of how we're going to spend the day. The Meriton is really well located. And again, the entire hotel is just stunning. This is a new room because the old one didn't have good AC, but this one has slightly better views. Look at that, city. Telstra. Literally like the best and most craziest experience. The first actual step of our touristing in Sydney was to do this hike, and we tried to do it from one lighthouse to another lighthouse in order to catch the sunset. We did end up getting a little lost, but the vistas along the way were well worth the hike, even if my feet were so tired at the end. The best part about this hike was seeing some of Australia's nature, because a lot of the plants and animals are actually quite foreign to me. This is a new continent I've never been before, so I spent a lot of time not only looking at the sea, but looking at a lot of the foliage. So that's it, guys. Day one of Australia. I'm actually here in Sydney, and there's so many more exciting things to come. Make sure you check back on my channel. I'm trying to update more frequently. There's still so many cool things I'm trying to get uploaded and recorded. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at BeckyRay14, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you in the next.